back to the BrosAuto channel. So today I got my brother. He's gonna be helping me out address some of these issues on this car that we've had. We got a lot of cracks in the fiberglass here in some places. So it's nothing too crazy, but something we both haven't done before. Yeah, we have not done this before, but we got some fiberglass that we bought at O'Reilly's over here. Just a little kit with some fiberglass. We got the resin and the hardener. So let's go over here and check out this quarter panel that you can see. So this is basically what it looks like. It's got a crack right through here. Pour the resin on first, put the fiberglass mat. Well, you first put the mat, then you put the resin over. Yeah. All right, get back to work. So we got the resin right here. 1 ounce of resin to 10 drops of liquid hardener. Online that it's not good to have resin just on top, caked up on the correct. Not bad? Not bad for our first time. Alright, so let's do this pretty quick so the resin doesn't harden by the time we get the other side. No, it has to harden. Oh, that has to harden first? Yes. Oh. Because once we start grinding on the back side, you're going hard on this side. What are we doing here on this fender? On this fender, you see fiberglass cracked as well. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Looks a little bit rough, but all the cracks are out. While that resin is still not hardened, we're gonna go ahead and fill this area in as well. But first, I gotta scuff this area up so that the resin sticks. And then the final glass, whenever we lay it over, we're gonna roll it so that way it gets the back side of the fender as well, so everything ties in together. So the panel finally cured. We got 2 coats of the resin along with 2 fiberglass mats put down, and now we're gonna flip this panel over and go ahead and get started on this section right here. We're gonna go ahead and work on this little area right here. officially a wrap for today's video. And how do you think so far that our job has come out? I personally think it was pretty good. Next, after this, you got to sand it down with some 80 grit, put a little body filler, prime it, and get it ready for paint. Alright, sounds good. And be sure to go ahead and stay tuned for the next video, because that will be coming out soon. And smash the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
But like halfway opening it or what? How do you want me to open it? I'm not.
Where's that goof off stuff? You'll just do, look on that.
You're in your romper. It's not comfortable.
No, you'll just come around and you'll just do this. Keep it like this. I'll maybe leave a Okay?
Okay. You don't take too many things. Well, Divide, go practice. Go, I mean, not practice, go get over there.
You guys practice.
What you got? I don't need to practice.
We're natural.
We just have to, yeah, okay, natural.